In the budget, the CM has said that he has hiked the license fees as well as the cost of liquor, and from that he's thinking of generating some revenue so that it can tide the differences in the budget by balancing the income. Especially because there's a hike in the actual price of liquor, which is almost amounting to 30% of the current price. So we'll be charging our customers accordingly. Secondly, the CM has come with a proposal that we would be charged license fees depending on the area of service. That means the area where we serve. If somebody has a bigger restaurant, he'll be landing up paying more for the service area that he has. This is going to be another injustice because we serve food and food requires more area. It's not the liquor that requires more area. People can sit in a taban, sit in a permit room or something and have liquor. And as per the area of service, we have to be charged. We are going to be charged. We feel it's an injustice to us. The government is not stick with the implementation of their own rules and regulations. This is affecting our business because we have seen in our own eyes that so many people are selling liquor and the government is not doing anything about it. So these people have to be stopped first only without any license. These people don't have license. These people don't have all these 14 NOCs what I mentioned. These people don't have anything. So their overheads are quite less compared to the overheads we are bearing. So because of that, they also try to compete with us in fact. And they are the people who are lost to the government in terms of revenue because they don't pay a single rupee tax. So putting all this together, I feel if the government is very strict, there is no need of increasing and hiking all the license fees and all the liquor prices.
Fast food also.
Fast food people also carry quarters and give
Bottles.
give the customers liquor.